This thing will pump up pretty much anything you have. ATVs, bikes, cars, trucks. I went on a road trip with a U-Haul, one of the big ones, and it had a leaky tire. Every time I had to stop and get gas, I had to pump air in it. And this thing pumped up the fully loaded 30-foot moving van truck to 110 psi, no problem. Later on in the video, you can see the time lapse of it pumping up a completely empty tire, from valve core removed to installed. It can blow up big things too. It's got the high volume, low pressure ports. It can suck. If you need to deflate something, you just swap the ports and now you're sucking versus blowing. It has a little light, which is admittedly useless. I've never had a use for it. But otherwise, as far as pumping stuff up, it's pretty amazing. It's a very simple interface. Set your pressure, hit play, go. If you want to switch over to the high volume pump, just switch it over. And boom, you're blowing or sucking. Light, so bright. And no, this video was not sponsored by anyone. It's just me spending my money on stupid stuff. Another nice thing about this thing is you can run it like this vertically, or you can lay it on its side. And it runs perfectly fine. And it's got nice grip, so it doesn't tend to, wander off as you're using it. Overall, I've had mine for 3 years now. Never had an issue with it. Use it fairly often. Highly recommend. If you have anything that needs air, this is it.